Welcome to Analytics with Nags. I wish you everyone happy new year 2023, and of course this is going to be a planner video. In 2023, what are the topics or what subjects you are going to learn as part of Analytics with Nags channel? That's what we're going to see in this video. Before seeing the topics, let's try to discuss what are the highlights of this channel. This channel contains a complete data analytics platform from Microsoft technologies like SQL Server, Data Warehouse, ETL, modeling, SSAS, and Power BI. Along with that, it also contains career guidance and end-to-end series. So these are more or less subjective matter, like more or less a technical aspect of it. So one of the highlights apart from the technical aspect is like we are not into any recommendation, we are not doing any paid promotion, or we are not doing any trainings. So we get a lot of requests in emails and other mediums like can you promote our content, like it can be any training institutes or any websites that provides the trainings, right? And also some softwares, gaming software, a lot of things. So we are not into any of those, and especially we are not into trainings as well. And I'm not talking about the YouTube promotions. I mean the ads, it is AdSense, that is minimum labor or cost that we get for the efforts we put in. So this is all about some external vendors or the software providers, they approach us, we are not providing it. So our main intention is to make people self-learn and grow in their career. That is our pure intention. We are sticking into it. That's the main highlights of this channel. And I get a lot of comments and feedback. So a lot of followers, they are happy and with the content, and they see a lot of contents over here. They learn the DAX very simple manner, because DAX is, as you guys know, it's very simple but not easy. So a lot of emails, and like this I got a blessings as well. Thanks a lot, brother, great content, very god bless you, and may grant grace to create more content. So this motivates me to do more for the people. Even sometimes I feel down creating contents, I don't find time. These comments make me and pitch in again and again, do for the people that they need free contents, the quality contents, So please do comment in the videos and share this with your friends and colleagues, those who need, right, to grow their career. That's the main highlight of this channel. Coming to the subject area of today's topic, like a roadmap for 2023. Yes, of course, this channel predominantly focuses on Power BI, and there are a lot of topics I found not much contents in the internet. So this is my prime focus as of now. Like in Power BI, I'm going to cover report server, Power BI admin, Power BI embedded, and this is the prime focus in the Power BI area, as well as of course DAX and other areas, whichever every month Power BI releases, I'm going to cover whichever is interesting. That will be ongoing process. Other than that, another subject area I'm going to focus on predominantly this year is Azure, because Azure is the future, cloud is the future, right? So in that, data lake, Azure SQL factory, data factory, Databricks, DevOps tools, a lot of things. Azure is ocean, so I mean there are a lot of contents. So I will try to cover as much as possible that closely align with this data analytics part. Then apart from Power BI, Azure, I'm going to focus on other topics like advanced Excel. Like Excel is always going to be there in another 20 or how many years, I'm not sure. Even in 100 years people will still use Excel. So there are people, we are into different tools now, but there are some people still missing the core Excel features that they can use. What I mean is, like, everyone uses Excel, everyone have Excel, but they can do some advanced features in Excel. That is what I'm going to focus on here. then advanced topics in SQL as well as MSBI, then industry specific analytics. Let's say like you have some manufacturing company, glass manufacturing company, or you have some restaurants, or you have some transportation logistics business. So those kind of industries I'm going to cover, how they can implement analytics solution. This is the prime focus for 2023. I hope you will learn a lot of new things in this year as part of this channel. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset.